Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a shadow effect on part of an image using CapCut on PC. It's a simple yet effective technique to make your design stand out. Let's get started. First, drag your image into the timeline. Then, duplicate it by copying and pasting a layer on top of the original. Select the duplicated layer and go to Video Mask. Choose a shape that fits the area you want to shadow, then adjust its size and position. Duplicate the layer and place it on top. Hide the top layer for now. Select the middle layer, go to Adjustment, and adjust the settings to turn the image black. This will be your shadow. Go back to Video Mask and increase the width and height by 10. Set the feather to 4 to soften the edges. This creates a natural shadow effect. Now unhide the top layer. If needed, go to the Effects tab and add a blur effect to the bottom layer to enhance the shadow's realism. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.